Hi, I'm Lanita Medina, and it's time for Scrapbooking with Lanita and 5 Minute Friday. It's been a while, and Colleen, this is for you. The 5 Minute Friday, I need to bring it back. I want to bring it back, yes. And so this is from an old idea. Who remembers this? Maybe not so old, but I did kind of take it apart, so it's in pieces right now. But even though it looks a little bit busy and perhaps a little bit complicated, it's not. And it's a great way to use busier papers or to highlight something. And I wanted to highlight the fall papers. This is the brand new collection, y'all. Oh my goodness. The Autumn Cottage. So pretty, much better in real life. And I will show you today. This is the one that I used for this page, but because there's vellum, I am going to do the next page using vellum, and also I'll be using, I'm hoping, the same middle pieces here. So this is the vellum. The vellum is fun because it's see-through, and I'm looking to see which piece. I think I know. I have my piece over there that I decided to use. So there are 5 pieces per pack for $5. Super good price. And of course, these layered embellishments or layered borders. Even this one is layered. It has the little layered acorns. So very fun. And the stickers. I am flanked here by these gorgeous, gorgeous real color, but also like watercolor embellishments and borders. I'm just so, it's like making me want to go sit out by the fireplace or by the fire pit tonight. Okay, let's get started. So I haven't done this in a bit with the timer. I'm hoping my timer still works. So I'm at 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if my timer still works. If not, then I'll just take my time. Now, one of the things that I should have said it before I put the timer on, but my background here is the inside of one of the top loading pages. And I think I took that top loading page downstairs for some reason. So yeah, the timer is going, but that's okay. So I took the middle out because then I can use this as my background so that I could cut out the piece of gourd paper, which I just loved. And if you want to do it faster though, you don't have to cut it out, but I will show you cutting it out. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. And these are the papers over here that I'm going to use. This will be my middle paper. And what I did is, knowing that this measurement here, oh, I forgot to attach that, didn't I? Did I forget to attach that too? No, just that part, okay. So knowing that this part here is 11 by 10 or 10 by 11, this piece that I marked as yellow, that's the background for these pieces here, then I know that I can cut out a piece that's about 10 by 10. So I'm not going to be super exact, but I'm going to go down to, and I'm not going to necessarily take the time to explain, but I'm at the 2-inch mark here. Then I'm going to go down to the 10-inch mark there. And once I have my first mark here, then it's really easy to go over to the 10 over here and then just put my marker here and go down, because there is a little white marker. That's where I'm going with this. Okay, so I'm just barely cutting out the middle piece, and I'm already at 3 minutes. But if the timer goes off, I'll just keep going, because this is a really fun, easy page. But you know, sometimes I want to show some techniques, and that's very fun. Okay, and I'm just going to tear that off. So now I have this piece to use for something else. And this piece can go right here. And I have my base to be able to put it on. So I'm just going to do this so that it won't keep moving on me. And then my next piece is the 10 by 11 piece that I had said yellow, which is what I put over here. I put a yellow piece in, but this I'm going to use a vellum. Look how fun that's going to be. So fun. And so 10 by 12, I'm sorry, 10 by 11. And the nice thing is that the rest of the part, because they are blocks, it's fairly easy. So that's going to go like that. And then the pieces that are for my photos, there are 6 there or 5 in the journaling. I'm going to use this and this. And these are directional, but I don't think it matters for this one. However, I am going to make these at the 4-inch right here, because if you look at the directions, it is 3.5 by 4, and the longer part here is 4. So I'm going to do that one, and this one is going to be at the 4. And then I'm just going to, did I do that one at the 4? I did, huh? I'm just going to go ahead and stack them and go to the 3.5. And that's going to be that way. That's going to be that way. And then one more green at 3.5. Okay, so you may be wondering where the 6th one is. What I wanted to do is, and I'm just going to show you how this can go right here. And these I did sideways, didn't I? Okay, so, and really it doesn't matter. It's fine to do them sideways. It's okay. Oh, let's see. Let's do, I think I want the one that has the most is going to be this. Oh, my battery is dead. It was going to, I should have checked the battery, huh? It was ready to go. It was ready to beep. All right, so the 5 minutes is up, but it is a quick, easy page. All right, so this is going to go way down here, and I want to make sure that I'm in the camera light. And then that's going to go there. And let me show you what the next part is if you want to. Quick, another little technique. So I'll bring this page back in. What I did is I took one of these, and let me just find which one. I took one of these and cut it. It's an excellent, quick, easy way to do like a notebook paper. And what I was trying to mimic was this here, okay? But then I realized, well, I have this paper I have. So this is the one that I had pre-cut. And then I thought, well, what happens when you punch it out with the notebook punch or Boilermaker cartridge? It shortens it a little bit. So it's not quite as big. You could use this one also. Okay, so I've already pre-cut this one, but I am going to do it on, or pre-cut this one, but I'm going to do it on this one, just be able to show you the technique, okay? So these are supposed to be 3.5. I am going to do it at 3 3/4 because it will cut off. Oh dear, I wanted to keep this one, didn't I? No, it's fine. I was going to say I did want to kind of keep that one, but too late now because I don't have another mat here. Let's see. And the other thing is that what I noticed is that I'm not sure which way these go. Do they go this way or this way? You know, so I am going to flip it this time because the other one I did on the actual side, and it seems like it's backwards. So let's see what happens here, okay? Oh, I moved that one a little bit, didn't I? So this is cardstock, of course, so it's a little bit thicker on this. Oh, I see. I got caught on that. Okay. And yep, that does it. So let's see how this turns out. There you go. Does that seem more like how paper is supposed to be when it's in a notebook. See how it's opposite? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how it's supposed to go, but let's use that one. Okay, so we actually are almost done. If you want to have it exact, then put it on here, and I'm not going to use the vellum tape runner because I don't need to. Just point out that this vellum, there is one side that has a little more color. This seems to be the one with a little more color. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to put adhesive here because that's all I need to have down. And then I'm going to go at the 1-inch mark up there and here and at the 1/2 inch right over there. Oops. And then I'm all placed correctly. If you're the type that likes to be exact. Am I exact on that? I hope. Okay. It looks right to me, but oh yeah, that's down a little bit, isn't it? Okay, there we go. Right, so not 5 minutes when we have to measure, huh? All right. So this is, I'm going to do this, and this. I think I said I was going to do it the other way because I'm doing 2 greens, and there you go. All right, and then I'm going to put them up here and down here, and then the little middle piece. And the nice thing is that with me showing you how to make this, you can make this technique or duplicate this technique without it taking too long, because I've already explained everything, huh? Right, so I'm just leaving a little bit of a border around there and a little bit of a border there because I did this a little bit bigger, and now it will match up a little better here. So this goes way down. I think you can see it. And I am going to take this off because I think it shows up a little bit better. Did I already put, yeah, I already put adhesive on that. And line it up as best I can with a little bit showing here. Now it's, because it's vellum, it's not going to show up a lot. But what does show is the under part. Isn't that fun? It's funny because I do feel, oh, I see what was, my white paper here was a little bit crooked. All right, that's okay. Okay, now the last piece is this. So what happens is this still looks a little bit like too cluttered, but you take a 2-inch piece and here we are. Here are the directions. Where did my directions go? It's on a piece of cardboard. Here we go. The strip is 2 by 12. Did you see? I use these for my script, for my directions. They make great little notepads, all those little cardboards. All right, 2 inches. Love this wood paper. Oh, I just love it. I don't know. There we have a lot of wood paper, and I still just love it. Now look what happens. It just ties it together, doesn't it? Don't you love it? I do. Okay, and then this goes in the middle, but if you want to measure, I just got rid of it. And then, am I in the I am, okay. I just want to make sure I'm in the camera. Yeah, so between 5 and 7, exactly. Perfect. Even for somebody who doesn't measure. Then, here's the beauty of this. With these embellishments, let's see. Where did I put all? I had them here, didn't I? Here they are. That's why I put them so close. With these embellishments, they are paired. So this one has its match. Isn't that cool? Now let me get the clutter here off so you can see the funness of it all. Is that a real word or not? There we go. What do you think? Oh, get rid of that so you can see it. Now I realize that it's 2 different sets of pages because I wanted to show you 2 different things, but you really could join the 2 doing it that way because the leaves are there, and I put some leaves here. Then what we can do is add a little bit of a few embellishments in the corner here, and then you have a nice 2-page spread if you want it, or just a 1-page. So let me look at I was going to show you where this journal paper came from. This is from the school days paper that has journal on one side, and I just keep a lot of that because I made several school books. So I 8x8 ones, and so I have those left. So they're wonderful. All right, now again, the stickers have these stripes, words, and no, it's not stripes, strips or borders, words, quotes, and stickers. So I think I said something about sitting outside with a few little pumpkins there, or I mean, it could be with a book, but we're outside. So let's see, oh, maybe these two. A few little pumpkins outside with the little chair, which we have one of these. And it can just be right out here. Oh, you know what? Let's see, do I want it in this corner? I almost feel like I want it on this corner here. And then I have this here for my triangle, or something can go up there after I put my pictures on. I can always decorate more after I put pictures on. All right, so what I'm seeing is that I didn't have enough of the foam squares. Cut those, but then I found the little ones. Okay, so here's a fun little fall festive. And what you see is that I put these on the corner here, so they kind of get lost into here, but you can always move them, right? You know, you can always do that. Okay, so here is your 5-minute page that turned into a 10-minute page. And there you go. Happy Friday. Thank you for watching. And this bundle, by the way, is still 10% off. The rustic fence, which looks like this look here, Border Maker cartridge, took the place of the gourds because those are gone already. But if you didn't get any gourds and you want some, I got several because I have my retreats coming up. So I needed some for my retreat session. So anyway, I have a few extras. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy this holiday weekend. And thank you for scrapbooking with Lanita. Bye-bye.